Hey guys, this is Tharmi. Without further delay, let's jump into the story. Why should we worry? There was a man named Rakesh in a village. He was deeply in love with a woman. It was one-sided. Rakesh dreams about her every day, singing for her, dancing with her in mind. He was thinking about her every day. He loved her so much, but she is not most gorgeous girl. He fell in love with her so much because of her behavior. Seeing Rakesh's condition, his friends said, "Why are you dreaming so much? First tell the girl your love and ask her if she is willing or not." One day, Rakesh met the girl and expressed his love. But the girl rejected his love. Rakesh shared this with his friends. Hearing this, the friends were worried that Rakesh was going to get addicted to alcohol and drugs. A few days later, the friends were surprised to find Rakesh very normal. They asked, "Are you not worried about your love failure? That girl told you that she doesn't like you. But she is your life. Don't you have anything to worry about?" Rakesh said, "She has lost someone who loves me wholeheartedly. That's all," and left the place. So friends, don't regret not getting it after making love. It should be thought of as a loss for others and move towards a new path. Okay, buddies, we will see our next story. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon to get my new stories notifications. Have a good day.